Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds onto your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country and you will now be taken into the homepage. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, if you wish to add funds to your account, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. From here, click on payment methods and then click on continue. And now you will see the add funds as well as the add payment methods option. Go ahead and click on add funds and you will need to choose a payment method or add one if you haven't added one already. Either choose your credit or debit card or add a new one by entering the credit or debit card number followed by the cardholder's name and the expiration month and year. Also enter the CVV or the security code number and then tap on the next button. Once your payment method has been added, you will be allowed to choose your desired amount of funds that you wish to load onto your account. And after choosing your amount and proceeding forward, this amount will be added onto your PlayStation account right away, and you will now be able to use this fund to make transactions and buy games as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add funds onto your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.